Is it possible to build a perfect credit score in just 90 days from scratch? The answer is yes, but you must follow this exact method step by step. Forget waiting years. This is how the system is hacked in 2026. Day 1 to 30, inject history immediately. Don't start from zero. Use services like Bilt or BoomPay to report your last 2 years of rent payments to the credit bureaus. With this step alone, your credit file will no longer be empty, and you can jump the first 100 points in record time. Day 31 to 60, the secured card strategy. Apply for a secured credit card that doesn't require a credit check, such as Chime or Vero. The secret here isn't spending more, it's frequency. Use the card for a small purchase of $10 per month and pay it off immediately. This tells the algorithm that you are a responsible payer. Day 61 to 90, the final push with an authorized user. If you have a family member with an old credit card and a perfect payment history, ask them to add you as an authorized user. Their years of credit history will be added to yours in a matter of days, boosting your score toward the 700s before the third month ends. The golden rule: during these 90 days, do not apply for car loans or additional credit cards on your own. Every hard inquiry will lower your score. Keep your utilization below 3%, and you'll see the doors to top banks open for you. And that's how you do it. In just 3 months, you'll go from having no credit to a solid profile. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next video.